Hi there, welcome back to Beauty Medic TV. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Samika Williams, and on this channel you will experience all things makeup, medicine, and motivation. I am a now third-year medical school student, so this channel simply documents my journey through medical school. This video is an extended tour of the Leslie Robinson Hall. Before we get into today's video, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, as well as like this video and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts with me. If you have any questions in regards to everything that is mentioned in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below or message me on any of my social media handles that you can find in the description box. So without further ado, let's get into this video. I will also be sharing my thoughts on the haul throughout the video, so please stick through to hear. Okay, first things first, to even get on the haul, you have to fill out an application that you can find on the 138 Student Living website. I will list the website on it, and you can find an application, and then you just forward everything through email. So to accommodate this application, you will need a security deposit, which is a month's rent, and they will send you the documents required. I cannot remember if I had to send anything out of the ordinary other than the security deposit and my information. I know I did have to accompany it with my acceptance letter and some other documents that obviously wouldn't be too hard to find, because you would have need those documents to enroll in the campus in the first place. So yes, that's the application process. Now, the security deposit, like I said, is a month's rent, which is $417 USD, or $58,797 JMD. If you are not on campus, they do have a credit card authorization form to facilitate you being able to pay. I don't want to say digitally, but you being able to pay when you're not on campus. Otherwise, you would pay directly to the school's office. You can pay in cash or you can pay in card. Okay, now I did mention that the security deposit is a month's rent, which is $417 USD, and this security deposit just accompanies the contract that will be between you and obviously the establishment, and that contract lasts a year, and they do refund the security deposit at the end of the contract, or you can request for it to be transferred to the following year. So the occupancy is a single room and a single bathroom. There is a bathroom in the room. To my knowledge, there are no shared rooms on the Leslie Robinson Hall. I'm not sure if this has changed since then, but to my knowledge, there are no shared rooms and there are no shared bathrooms. Under the 138 Student Living, they do have other halls, the George Eileen Hall and the Urban Hall, that do offer shared occupancy, and I believe their bathrooms are shared. But like I said, I cannot speak on any other hall because I don't have no knowledge. I can only speak on the hall that I live on. The single room is equipped with a desk, a chair, a mini fridge, a bed, a bathroom, and a drawer, and one closet. If you would like to see how your room would look if you were to live on the Leslie Robinson Hall, you can refer to the dorm room tour that is on my channel. I will link it below or link it above. And with the application form that you can find on the student website, they do have everything that you need to bring at campus. And I'm laughing because fan is one of the things that they do have it. There are no AC units in the rooms. There are no ceiling fans, so please do buy a fan, and just go to the hall in mind that you have to buy everything. The only thing there in the hall is furniture. Anything else you need or want, you have to purchase yourself. You are given a swipe key and a room key. So the swipe key is used to swipe to get into the halls, and then you have a room key for your room that you can lock at your leisure, obviously. And apart from the single room and the single bathroom, the halls are equipped with a kitchen and a common area. The kitchen do have 2 stoves, a fridge, and a deep freezer, and cupboards. And along with the cupboards, you do have keys for the cupboards, so just be sure to, when you're getting your key and your swipe card, that you ask for a key for the cupboard so you can lock your cupboard as you wish. And the common area is equipped with a TV, sofa, dining room table, and chairs. Now, this was everything in the halls before COVID. This is not the same now. They have removed the sofas and one of the dining room tables. I guess they move it to facilitate social distancing and prevent crowding or socializing. However, to get on the halls now, it is mandatory that you are fully vaccinated or you have received 1 dose of the vaccine. Okay, so maintenance. Now, I guess I want to say that maintenance fees are included in your rent because you do not pay for any maintenance that needs to happen. All you have to do is email the office and set an appointment for anything that you need fixed, whether it's a light change, if you have plumbing issues, anything that you need fixed, any maintenance issue. They do have a maintenance person, who you can contact, and they set up an appointment and they come the time you requested, and you basically fill out a form saying your room number, your name, and the problem you had, and if the issue was resolved, and that's it. In regards to other maintenance, they do offer daily cleaning services where the kitchen, the common area, and the hallways are cleaned by the cleaning staff. To my knowledge, it does happen once a day. I'm not sure if this increased or decreased ever since COVID, but I know that a cleaning staff does come in and clean every day. So the only thing you are responsible for cleaning really is your room, your bathroom, and obviously your dishes. But for the most part, they do come in, they clean, and they sanitize the area. If you do wish for your room to be clean, they do have a cleaning schedule where you would just put your name on the roster and the cleaning lady will come in and clean it, and they do request a time that you are there, so to prevent thieves or anything going missing, lost, or stolen, I guess. I have never requested for my room to be clean, so I don't know the procedure. I like to clean my room myself because I like things how I like things, and yeah. But even if you don't put your name on the cleaning schedule, you can just ask the cleaning lady to come in and clean your room, and sometimes they charge you, sometimes they don't. I've never done it, but I've seen people done it, so I am not sure how that goes. But all of that is included under maintenance. Oh, and also they do take out the garbage for you. They do take out the garbage, so you don't have to worry about garbage either. This is something I personally looked for when I was choosing my hall, and that was security. Their security is like A1. Okay, they have like a top-notch security system. So I did mention that you do have access keys or swipe keys to get onto your floor, and then you have room keys as well as keys for your cupboards. Apart from this, there is a security station at each block, and when you're leaving, you have to give them your room number so they know who you are. They document when you enter and when you leave, and then you also have security at the main gate. Now, the security at the main entrance do not stop guests from coming in, but in regards to getting on the blocks themselves and up to the floor themselves, your guests cannot come without giving your name, your room number, as well as an identification. So I was comforted by the fact to know that I was secured at that. So other than fees, maintenance, and security, one thing that I can truly appreciate is the location of the hall and the amenities that they do offer on campus. And one of my favorite ones is the washroom. So they do have 2 washrooms on the campus that have washers and dryers. I don't know how much there are in the room specifically, but I know that they do offer VIP washing where you pay an extra fee for the workers there to wash, dry, and fold your clothes. I do this because this is very convenient for me. I don't have the time to sit down and wait for a washer and dryer to do. And yeah, I just drop my clothes off and I pick them up and call it a day. I love that. That is one of the A1 experiences for me for living on campus. Other than that, you can go to the office and just pay for regular wash and dry, and they give you tokens for the wash and dryer, or like I said, you can pay for VIP wash where you pay an additional fee and you show them your receipt, they wash and dry and fold your clothes for you, and all you have to do is pick it up. Other than the washrooms, we call it wash houses in the Bahamas. Other than that, they do have a convenience store. In this convenience store, they just have little knickknacks, little snacks, and they also have like little groceries, toiletries. They also have, I think I used to see rice and oats and pastas and stuff. It is like a little mini convenience stores, and in the convenience store they do have a water store, so you can drop your bottles off and pay for them to fill it and deliver it to your room, and that's another luxury that I love. But before COVID, they used to deliver the water directly to your floor. Ever since COVID, they only deliver it to your block, so keep that in mind when you're choosing to pay for delivery, because you still have to end up lifting it up to your floor. After I realized that, I stopped paying for delivery and I just paid for it to be filled and I lifted up to my floor. For the most part, the services at the washroom and the convenience store is A1. I have no complaints about them, and yeah, I really like them. Okay, so apart from the amenities that they do have offer on campus, the hall itself is in close proximity to other conveniences. And when I'm talking about conveniences, I mean conveniences like the ATM. There is an ATM machine directly in front of the hall. This isn't attached to the halls. You have to go outside the gate to use the ATM, but I love how close this is because I don't have to walk I don't have to walk like 3 minutes just to withdraw cash. I could literally go right outside the hall and withdraw cash. And apart from the ATM, the hall is in close proximity to the student union, and in the student union they have a food store. They also have a restaurant, something else that I'm not remembering, but yeah, the hall is in close proximity to other conveniences, so you don't necessarily have to leave campus if you don't want to. And that is what I enjoy most about living at the Leslie Robinson Hall. It is very convenient. It is in close proximity to things I need and things I would always want to have access to. And I guess the only thing that I don't like about the situation of the hall, where the hall is exactly, is that it's about 15 minutes away from where I have to go to classes. I don't like that, but otherwise I do like it. Now, of course, there is no such thing as the ideal place. I do enjoy living on the Leslie Robinson Hall. However, I do have a few grievances with them that moves their rating from a 10 out of 10 to a whooping 6 out of 10. And I'm going to be very honest, and everything I'm going to mention now is my thoughts and my opinion based on my experience. This may not be the same for everyone, so please don't hold it to my charge, and do with this information what you must. So if you are looking for convenience and comfort, I would definitely recommend the hall. But in terms of customer service, I do almost 80% of the time have a problem with their administration and their management. But otherwise, for the most part, I do recommend the hall. What else? Did I miss anything out? Yeah, for the most part, I do recommend the hall. I love the rooms, and I did do like my research on all the other halls, and the Leslie Robinson Hall was one of my first choices. So yeah, other than that, that is it. I don't have anything else to say. I'm not promoting them because they're not going to give me a discount on my rent. I still have to pay my rent in full. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, please let me know. I did have a few questions on the halls, and I did answer them via comments or via DMs. So please don't hesitate to message me if you have a question. I may be a bit slow in my response, but I guarantee you I do respond. So please don't be shy. If you have any questions, I would love to help in any way I can. But that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, let me know. And if you want to keep up with me, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at _always the topic, or you can find me on Facebook at Tamika Williams, and you can find me right here on YouTube, of course, at Beauty Medic TV. Thank you all for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.